Hello friends, today in this video to solve the factorization method. How to find in this video in this equation x square plus x minus 6 to solve the factorization method. Here are the first equation. Here are the first variable x square. X square in this video there are the two brackets. We have to choose on the two brackets. First bracket is x or second bracket is x. To find the last constant value is 6. Okay, so we have to solve the or multiply in bracket minus 6 or addition plus 1. Okay, to how to get find two values to minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 or minus 2 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 3 into minus 2 we have to get 6 plus minus 6. Okay, in this video, so these are the two values we have to put in the equation. X minus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. Sorry, x square, these are the two factor we have to different two factor x square minus 3x or 2x minus 6. Okay, these are the two factors. So x in bracket x minus 3 to solve this bracket minus minus either minus 2 एक मिनट minus 2 in bracket x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, to find x minus 3 we have to write here right side x minus 3 is equals to 0 or x minus 2, x is equals to 3 or x is equals to 2. These are the two values we have to put in the factorization method to solve this equation.